Hello friends, welcome to infyGyan. In this video, we have to solve another very interesting question from algebra. X square plus y square plus xy equal to 0. Then it is said to find this expression. Let's say required expression is E. Now we will write the given equation x square plus y square plus xy equal to 0. Now we are going to subtract 3xy from both the sides. So we'll write here minus 3xy. We'll write here minus 3xy. Now LHS will become x square plus y square minus 2xy equal to minus 3 times xy. Now LHS is one identity, x minus y whole square. And right hand side we'll write minus 3xy. Now we have to find x minus y over x, but here we have x minus y only with power 2. So let us divide both sides by x square so that we will be getting x minus y over x. So let's divide both sides by x square. We can write x minus y over x whole square will become minus 3y over x. X and x will get cancelled from numerator and denominator. Similarly, if we will divide both sides by y square, we are going to get x minus y over y whole square equal to minus 3x over y. And this is from x minus y whole square divided by y square equal to minus 3xy divided by y square. One y will get cancelled from numerator denominator, will get minus 3x over y. Now we have to factor exponent 70. 2 times 35. So I will write E equal to x minus y over x with whole power 2 times 35 plus x minus y over y with whole power 2 times 35. Now we know that a power b times c can be written as a power b with whole power c. So we can write required expression E will become x minus y over x. Then we'll put power 2 and then we'll be writing whole power 35 plus x minus y over y whole square and then we'll write whole power 35. Now here we can write minus 3y over x and here we can write minus 3x over y. So we will get minus 3y over x with whole power 35 plus minus 3x over y with whole power 35. Now we can take minus 3 whole power 35 common out. So I can write minus 3 whole power 35 in bracket. We'll write y over x whole power 35 plus x over y whole power 35. Now we will assume y over x equal to alpha and x over y equal to suppose beta. So let me write expression over here. Let us assume y over x equal to alpha, x over y equal to beta. So we can write alpha times beta will be equal to y over x times x over y, which will be equal to xy over xy. We will get 1. So alpha times beta equal to 1. Now we will find alpha plus beta, which will be equal to y over x plus x over y. We will write equal to y square plus x square or x square plus y square in the numerator and xy in the denominator. Now given equation was x square plus y square plus xy equal to 0, or we can write equal to minus xy, which we will put over here. Minus xy over xy will cancel xy from the numerator and denominator. So we'll get second equation alpha plus beta equal to negative 1. And we have alpha beta 1. So let me write here alpha plus beta equal to negative 1. Alpha times beta equal to 1. So this is sum of roots. This is product of roots. We'll write one quadratic in T whose roots are alpha and beta. So I can write T square minus sum of roots, it is minus 1 times variable t plus product of roots, it is 1 equal to 0. So I will write t square plus t plus 1 equal to 0. If I will put t equal to negative 1 over here, will it satisfy our equation? No. If I will put t equal to plus 1 over here, will it satisfy our equation? No. So I will multiply both sides by t minus 1. So I can write t minus 1 times t square plus t plus 1 equal to 0 times t minus 1. Here t cannot be 1. T cannot be minus 1 also. So in LHS we can write this is t cube minus 1 cube, and in RHS we can write equal to 0. So t cube minus 1 will be 0, or we will write t cube equal to 1. Now t may be alpha, t may be beta. So we can put t equal to alpha and get equation alpha cube equal to 1. And if I will put t equal to beta, we are going to write equation beta cube equal to 1. So alpha cube and beta cube, both values are known. Now we will write required expression E. It is equal to minus 3 raised to the power 35 in bracket alpha power 35 plus beta power 35. We have alpha cube 1, beta cube 1. So we can write expression will be minus 3 raised to the power 35 in bracket. We can split 35, 33 plus 2 plus beta raised to the power 33 plus 2. Using exponent law, which says a power x plus y can be written as a power x times a power y. Our required expression E will become minus 3 raised to the power 35 in bracket alpha power 33 times alpha square plus beta power 33 times beta square. Now alpha cube and beta cube is 1. So we can write alpha power 33 and beta power 33 in terms of alpha cube and beta cube. So we'll write minus 3 raised to the power 35 in bracket alpha power 33 will be alpha cube whole power 11 times alpha square plus beta power 33 will be beta cube whole power 11 times beta square. Now we will put alpha cube equal to 1, beta cube equal to 1. 1 power 11 is 1. So we'll write minus 3 raised to the power 35 in bracket 1 times alpha square plus 1 times beta square. So we can write E will become minus 3 raised to the power 35 times alpha square plus beta square. Now we have two equations, alpha plus beta, negative 1, and alpha times beta, plus 1. So we'll be writing here E equal to minus 3 raised to the power 35. We'll use algebraic formula and write here alpha square plus beta square will be alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Since we know alpha plus beta is minus 1 and alpha times beta plus 1, E will be equal to minus 3 raised to the power 35 in bracket alpha plus beta is negative 1, so we'll write minus 1 whole square minus 2 times alpha times beta is 1, so 2 times 1 is 2, will be equal to minus 3 raised to the power 35. In the bracket, we'll write 1 minus 2, which will become minus of minus 3 raised to the power 35. And we can write minus times minus 1 raised to the power 35 times 3 raised to the power 35. Minus 1 with odd power is always minus 1. So minus times minus becomes plus. Our answer will become 3 power 35. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck.